Rhea Chakraborty, prime accused in Sushant's death case, is being grilled by the CBI for the fourth straight day. She reached the CBI office at around 10:50 this morning. In the past 3 days, Rhea has been grilled for about 25 hours now. Rhea has so far been quizzed on what happened on 8th of June, on whether or not she contacted Sushant after she left the house on 8th of June. The probe agency also asked Rhea about her role in Sushant's treatment. Rhea was grilled for almost 9 hours yesterday. Apart from Rhea, her brother Shavik also accompanied the actress and is being grilled for the 5th consecutive day. Sushant's cook, Neeraj, flatmate Siddharth Patani and former accountant is also being grilled by the CBI. Sushant's former manager, Shruti Modi, is being questioned by the CBI for the first time. Munish is now joining us live for the very latest on this. Munish, this probe is completely widened now. One is the probe on Sushant Singh Rajput's death. One is a probe on the abetment of suicide angle. One is a probe on the murder angle. And now just look at how much the probe has widened. The NCB getting involved, the ED getting involved, financial misappropriation angle, and now busting the drug cartel in Mumbai through this particular story. This is becoming very big.
Yeah, of course, Chaiti, the investigation started in Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Initially, it was Mumbai police, then Bihar police came into picture, and now 3 central agencies, the Central Bureau of Investigation, Enforcement Directorate, and Narcotics Control Bureau. Now, what we have been given to understand is that today's questioning is going to be very important for Rhea Chakraborty because the Central Bureau of Investigation will again be repeating some questions, and these questions are going to be about June 8 and Sushant's mental health. Why this is important? Because the CBI thinks that this is the only lead they have got and they need to grill Rhea Chakraborty, and that is why they are asking repeated questions so that if she's changing her statement, it means that she is lying. But as of now, there is no such confirmation from Central Bureau of Investigation that whether she has changed her statement even once. Now, as far as Shavik Chakraborty is concerned, what the CBI thinks that Shavik is a person who was also staying along with Rhea Chakraborty and Sushant Singh Rajput. So he is a person who has gone on Europe trip. He is a person who knows how their relationship was building, what was going on. Because on June 9 also there was one conversation between Sushant Singh Rajput and Shavik Chakraborty when Rhea left Sushant's residence and blogged on WhatsApp. Now, there is a high possibility that today Shavik Chakraborty will be confronted with his sister Rhea Chakraborty, so that the CBI can get a clarity on Sushant's mental health, on the drug angle, and also about how their relationship was building and what went wrong on June 8, June 7, June 6 and June 9. So this is going to be a very important day for the investigators, and the ED and NCB will continue their probe. NCB is probing a separate matter at this point of time. They are looking at a larger picture of Bollywood cartel. But
and when it comes to tracking the investigative agencies, there is no one better than Munish Pandey on top of everything that is going on, and he's getting us the inside scoop and story on all that is happening as far as the Enforcement Directorate is concerned, the CBI is concerned, the Narcotics Control Bureau is concerned. And Munish, who would have imagined that this would become so big that the Narcotics Control Bureau would take charge to now go ahead and bust the entire drug cartel as well. And this is something that is going to be a huge story in the days to come, Munish.
Yeah, of course, and this is why one of the officers who was with DRI, Samir Wankhede, now he has been asked by the Narcotics Control Bureau to join the investigation. This is something which has not happened earlier. He will be the zonal director for the western region of India, and he will be looking after this investigation. But as far as NCB is concerned, earlier we have seen that they go after cases where there is a big amount of drugs involved. But in this case, they have stepped in, they have jumped into the investigation. There is a high possibility that once CBI grilling of Rhea Chakraborty is over, then they will be summoning Rhea Chakraborty. But as far as evidence in this case is concerned, there is only electronic evidence. There are only WhatsApp chats. And this is why NCB has to find out the link of the peddlers who were allegedly supplying to either Rhea Chakraborty or the staffers of Sushant Singh Rajput. If that connection is built, that trail is built, then only NCB can pursue this case. Otherwise, electronic evidences are not going to be enough for the Narcotics Control Bureau, and this is why they have started arresting, detaining the peddlers who were allegedly supplying drugs to Bollywood personalities. Jyoti.
Right, so there you go. Manish getting us all the latest details as far as what the probe agencies are up to, all the inside scoop being broken here first on India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.